Hi, eighth graders. So, in this lesson, we are going to look at a t shirt company and the price of their shirts and some other things that they charge. And we are going to represent it in tables, in graphs, and an equation. So, we're going to look at the three different representations that we've seen with proportional and non proportional relationships for a specific example. We're going to start with a warm up. This warm up is on page M2 81 of your book. So I'd like for you to try this, pause the video, and then come back and look at answers. So for number one, what we want to do is we want to take this value of x and we want to substitute it for x in the equation. So y is going to equal negative 2 times 3.5 plus 4. And now we just need to evaluate this expression. So we start with multiplication. That comes before addition. Negative 2 times 3.5 is negative 7. Copy down the plus 4. Now I would add negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. So this says when x is 3.5, y is negative 3. And this one, here's the value of x. We're going to substitute it. So we're going to copy the equation down, but in place of x, we're going to put negative 1. And then we just evaluate. 1 half times negative 1 is negative 1 half. And then plus 11 would be 10 and a half. For number 3, here's our value of x. We're going to substitute that in. So the equation is going to become 0 plus y equals 1. Well, if 0 plus y equals 1, that means y has to equal 1. Number 4, here's the value we're replacing x with. So this is 2 times 4 minus y equals 5. 2 times 4 is 8. And you can probably just look at this and determine what y is. 8 minus y has to equal 5. That means y has to equal 3. There would be a more formal way of doing it. But for right now, that works. So as I said, we're going to look at different representations to model this problem. And then we're going to analyze some different things about those representations and compare them. So this past summer, you were hired to work at a custom t-shirt shop called US Shirts. One of your responsibilities is to calculate the total cost of customers' orders. The shop charges $8 per shirt plus a one-time charge of $15 to set up a t-shirt design. So the first thing that we are asked to do is describe the problem situation and your responsibility in your own words. So we're just summarizing the problem first. So the t-shirt shop charges $8 per shirt and a one-time setup fee of $15. Your responsibility was to calculate the total cost of customers' orders. So $8 per shirt and a one-time setup fee of $15. So no matter how many shirts I buy, I am paying this one-time setup fee no matter what. Question 2 is the relationship between the number of shirts ordered and the total cost of an order proportional or non-proportional. So let's think back to proportional. Proportional means that there are constant ratios. And in a graph, it also means it is a line through the origin. The origin would be 0, 0. So 0 shirts, $0. That is not happening in this problem. No matter what, we pay $15. So this $15 is kind of like the startup cost or the starting point on the graph. It's not going to be at 0. So this relationship is non-proportional because the setup fee is applied to any order no matter the number of shirts. This means the cost of 0 shirts is not necessarily $0 like it should be. And that is just to kind of get the ball rolling in this lesson. In the next video, we'll record activity 1.1 and look into this problem a little bit deeper. So hope that helps. Tune into the next video. Have a great day, everyone.